whole thing, well, it's slung. Will you keep quiet? It's slung over here. Will you keep quiet after what I saw last night? I'm the boss. I know what I'm talking about. It's one. Who's this character?
Frank Buck.
Ha ha! Frank Buck. How do you do?
Yeah.
I'll see you later, Mr. Buck.
Yeah, we'll get on with the trap and stand over there. Boys, set the trap again now. Get it all ready.
Mr. Buck, the boys have finished resetting the traps.
All right, go down the other way now and set the other one.
Yes.
I'm sorry I fell in your trap.
Oh, that's all right.
But last night I saw something like I never saw before in my life. Now, even in a nightmare, I never saw anything like this. I'm gonna tell you, he had a head like that.
All right, go ahead.
I'm not looking right at him like that. I said...
Eat your food, come on.
No sugar.
Makes you so nervous.
Don't play with it, eat it. What's the matter with you? Huh? He must be tired.